Hello, friends. Welcome to our March calendar. So today we're going to learn how to do our March calendar. Then we're going to do it every day this month. Okay. So if you notice, there are no birthdays in March. That's why I was kind of shocked. No one has a birthday in March. So there's no birthdays in March, but we do have spring break. So there's no school for part of March. Okay. And instead of the square, we have a fun little sunshine. So we are going to drag our sunshine to what day it is. I'm going to pretend it is Saturday today, even though it's not. Okay, then we're going to click in today's date. So you're going to click twice. And you're going to put in the day, Saturday. It is March, M-A-R-C-H, March 6th. 2021. It's okay if it goes on to 2 lines, isn't it? Yep, that's okay. Okay, so I moved the sun. I typed in the day. If you want to listen to either of the songs, we have the days of the week song or the months of the year song. Then we're going to go to our next slide. And we're going to do measurement. So this one's new. We've never done this slide before. If you look way over here on this star, you'll see some different objects. To start the month off, we have a heart, ladybug, a paper clip, a cube. It's going to change all months. There'll be different things there. So you can pick whatever you like. Choose the same thing though. So I'm going to make this top bar. I'm going to do a ladybug. I'm going to click ladybug and I'm going to drag it. And we're going to see how many ladybugs go across that yellow bar. So we're going to drag it until we fill it up. Remember, the ladybugs do not need to be overlapping. If I put one like that, that doesn't count. You have to spread them out so they're right next to each other. Okay, so when you have added all of your ladybugs or your hearts or whatever picture is on there that you like, we're going to count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in our box, we're going to double click, click, click. Do we have that blinking line? Then you're ready. It is 9. Now on this short one, I'm going to do paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to click. This only takes 4 paper clips to fill up that line. Okay. It's okay. It came a little bit over. That's okay. We're getting as close as we can. So touch them and get them as close to the ends as you can. Okay, this bottom one, you're going to do the same thing. Drag one of the pictures and see how many it takes to fill up. If you wanted to do all ladybugs, you could do all ladybugs. If you want to do all different, you can do different. But if you notice, I'm doing the same object for the whole row. I'm not going to do a ladybug paperclip cube, ladybug paperclip cube. That will not give us an accurate measurement. Okay. We have pretty much full. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes. So we're going to double click. 10 cubes. Okay, when you have finished, you filled up each row. You typed in what number? Let's go to our next slide. We are going to review time. We haven't done time since November, December's calendar. We worked on time and we learned how to tell time. So the colors still match. So sometimes you'll have a time here and you have to fix it on the analog clock. Sometimes the analog clock will be filled and you need to type it in the digital clock what it is. Okay, the hour hand is green. The hour hand is short. The white is the minute hand. And it's always going to be a clock or 30. We're just working on those 2 times. So 5, we're going to drag the arrow. So it is pointing at the 5. 5 o'clock. O'clock means it's straight up. So we have 5 o'clock. Okay. Make sure that the middle of the arrows is in the middle of the clock. Because if you have it like this, does this say 5 o'clock? I have never seen a clock look like that. That is not 5 o'clock. So make sure it's 5 o'clock. Okay, friends? If you want to learn a little more, you have the Telling Time song with Jack Hartman, where we dance to it. If you remember dancing to Jack Hartman's clock song, that is on there. Okay? So have fun with our March calendar. We have the sun, type in the day. And then we have measurements, fill up a stick, and then type how many did it take. And then we have the time, either the analog or the digital clock. Okay, friends? I will see you in our next video. Bye.